Electric grills have made outdoor cooking accessible all year round. The manufacturing process begins with stainless steel sheets, carefully shaped and welded to form the grill's frame. Once assembled, the heating element, which is vital for grilling, is placed inside, followed by rigorous testing for safety and performance. If an electric grill isn't heating properly, the first step for repair is to unplug it and check the power cord for damage. Next, remove the grill plates to access the thermostat, ensuring that its functioning is crucial. Finally, remember to clean and maintain the grill regularly to prevent buildup, which can enhance longevity and efficiency.